I want MDC elders. We have what we call elders in the party to meet, discuss, show us what they think should be the way forward in terms of this, responding to the judgment, which I think the response is already given, going to an extraordinary Congress. But how best do we handle it so that we are united, we get out better than what we are? It's not, I don't see it as a contest for MDC members to start campaigning. I see it as a chance for people to look at each other and say, maybe who is our best foot forward to make sure that we get there. We also need lack of greediness, just to see yourself in the mirror and say it's an opportunity. We also need not to fire people recklessly in parliament or deployees, but deployees must also understand that they have a duty to the people. They have no duty to any individual. So they have to respond to the people who elected them. They were elected as members of a political entity. That political entity is what has been in dispute. This is why we say the people were never explained that what was alliance, what was MDC, who left by track, right? And that agreement was never posted. But that agreement was signed in Rufaro Stadium. It's not Rufaro Stadium, Zimbabwe grounds. You remember the 7 political parties?
Yeah.
I think you were there. They signed that agreement is what has been binding the 7 political parties. But the changes that happened were worsened by that. The court is nullifying Chamisa's presidency. When it nullifies, it means whatever he led the party to go is nullified. So we need to go back to the drawing board and organize ourselves and start ourselves with everyone within the MDC Tsvangirai family feeling wanted. Then we invite our colleagues who are already partners with us, the other alliance partners. We even still might have to invite the others. They have been left out because they didn't get members, but they also contested. So let's not blind ourselves that the contestation was outside the alliance agreement. It was within the alliance agreement. Then something happened. So those outfits have been taken away by this court judgment. So we need to really look. We don't pack your bags because somebody has died. You bury the person. You sit together as a family and say, "To go anaka yacho say, kai go iwe zvakanaka musarwa musaurayana."